is disliked by a lot of people. But trust me when I say that some fatty foods are actually good for you. Avocados are a notable example. Now, many people think that an avocado is a vegetable, but they're botanically fruits. It takes an avocado at least 13 weeks to grow to its full size, and they don't ripen until you pick them right off the tree. Fun fact, scientists say that the human brain is mostly fat, and healthy fats, such as fats from avocados, help maintain healthy brain function. So, if someone around you shouts out, "Hey, fathead!" you should respond back, "Why, thank you, that's quite a compliment." Now, even though there are so many varieties, the most well-known avocados that are sold in supermarkets are the Hass and the Fuertes. Now, if you're going to work with your avocados today or tomorrow, you should look for ones that have a black skin and give slightly once you gently press your thumb on it. Now, if you're going to work with them in the next 3 to 5 days, you should look for ones that still have a green peel and feel hard. To properly operate and cut an avocado, you should take your knife and cut a slit in about halfway in the avocado until you hit the pit. Now once you hit it, cut around the avocado until you do a full, complete rotation. Now once you do that, take the knife out, put it down, set aside, and then take your avocado halves, twist them, and pull them apart. Now once you do that, take a kitchen towel, place it on your hand, and then take the avocado half that has the pit and place it right on top. And now take your knife, gently whack it right on the pit, twist to dislodge, and the pit will pop right out. All you have to do is to use a spoon to scoop out the flesh, and you're ready to use it. And to tell you the truth, I'm against the whole hipster food trend of using avocados for almost everything. But that doesn't mean that I just use them for guacamole. You can mash them and spread it on toast with a little bit of salt and red pepper flakes instead of butter. You can use them for chocolate pudding, ice cream, or better yet, buttercream frosting and spread it on your cake to make it look some sort of slimy, spooky, ghostly theme. So, I advise you to go out there and celebrate the avocado among its glory. But please, don't overdo it.